Okay, next question is question number 9. If the question number 9. If the centripetal force, yes, towards centripetal force is of the form what? M to the power A, V to the power B and R to the power C, and comma find the values of A, B, C. What type question is this? That if the centripetal force is of the form M to the power A, V to the power B and R to the power C and that find the values of A, B, C. So centripetal force has the dimension what? Centripetal force has the dimension force. Why centripetal is also a force towards central. Dimensionally it is equal to force. And force has the dimension mLT minus m mass into acceleration mLT minus 2. So we use it in this equation. So mLT minus 2 means centripetal force is F. Okay, and question is this: F directly proportional to. Why F directly proportional to? Because it is of the form. Question is in the form of M to the power A, V to the power B and R to the power C. So F directly proportional to V to the power A, V to the power B, R to the power C. Now F has the bidimensionally, by using dimensional analysis, or we should write, or by using dimensional analysis. We get, and then we find F has the dimension mLT minus 2, directly proportional to mass m, mass, velocity, and r is the radius, and to the power a, v is the velocity, lt minus 1, power b, r is length l, and power c. mLt minus 2 has no power, so power 1 it contains mLt minus 2, directly proportional to m to the power a, as it is, L, no change, L to the power B, see this, L to the power B and L to the power C, both are exponents B and C, so we add this, because bases are same and multiply to each other, so exponents are added, B plus C, T, and T finally minus B, and we compare this. On comparing both sides, finally we get A has the power 1. Why? M to the power 1 and M to the power A. Both LHS and RHS should be equal in this dimensionally equations. So M to the power A is equal to 1 and B to the power what? Minus B. T has the dimension minus B and minus 2 equal. Minus minus cancel. B is equal to 2. First answer, second answer, and third answer B plus C. C is C. Okay, we find this. L has the dimension power 1. No dimension, but L has the power 1. B has the value 2 plus C is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. Why 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1? A, B, C, answer is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 1. And this is very simple question, but asked very frequently in many exams. So we write it.